Create animation. Have you wondered how you can be able to use Vista Create to make animations for thumbnails, banners, and posters or business cards? Let's say on your website you want to put a banner there, but you want it animated. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to create animations or make banner animations, thumbnail animations with Vista Create. Welcome to Clever Marketing. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell, comment and like. So to create animation, let's say you want to do a thumbnail animation. I have created some thumbnails here with Vista Create. So I'll pick this one here. And as it's loading up, okay, this is what we have here. So in case I want to do animation or I want to animate the text, all that I do is I highlight it. And as you can see here, it says Animate, Effects. So to animate, I can go here and select any of these moves. It says Move, Fade. Okay, so as you can see, once I click on it, it lets you know how it's going to be animated or how the text will be coming in. So that's easy to do. And shaking, spin, text will be spinning. And let's say I want to animate the picture too. All that I have to do is click on the picture itself and do animation on it. So same thing, anyone that I click, see blur, span, zoom. Okay, I like the zoom. So the picture will be zooming, or you can move it. Fade. So let's get back to the text again. And in case I want to do effects, I click on it and it have different effects here. Okay, so once I click echo, so as you can see how it looks nicely. So once you click on that, you can do any animation. Just click on the object or the photo and you can do any animation. So let's say I want to go ahead and do a poster with Vista Create and make it animated or a banner. Or I can come here, type in banner, block banner, and let's say I'm trying to do a block banner. Vista Create have a lot of templates here that you can use, or you can create one from scratch. So I'll take one of the templates and use it. Okay, here, the comfort food of fast casual. So let's do that one. It's basically the same thing as I showed on doing the thumbnail. So same thing, you click on it. Let's say the food, I want to animate the food. Click on it and flash. So it comes in flash. I think spinning will be nice. Yeah, as you can see in the promotion. Let's say I want to do a spinning on the promotion. All that I have to do is just select to get people's attention, or that to let them know that I'm promoting something on the website. So guys, as you can see, this is how you can animate on Vista Create. Thanks for watching, and I will leave the link below in case you want to sign up for Vista Create. They have free and paid. Paid is like $10. and they have the free one that you can use. But as you can see, all these diamonds here are the paid ones. So you can use the ones that have no diamonds, which is the free ones. So thank you once again.